Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to use Match.com app. First, go to the Match.com website or open the Match app on your device. On the welcome screen, select who you are interested in meeting. Next, choose the age range you would like to match with. Then enter your zip code or location so Match can show people in your area. Now click on View Singles to continue. You'll be asked to create an account using your email address and a secure password. After signing up, complete your profile by adding your name, photos, interests, hobbies, and a short introduction about yourself. The more information you add, the easier it will be for other members to learn about you and find common interests. Once your profile is set up, Match will begin showing potential matches based on your preferences and location. You can browse profiles, view photos, and read member bios to learn more about each person. If someone interests you, you can like their profile, send a message if your membership allows it, or save them to view later. You can also use the search and filter options to narrow results by age, distance, interests, lifestyle preferences, and more. Be sure to check your messages and notifications regularly to see when someone views your profile or responds to you. As you continue using the platform, update your profile and preferences to help Match provide more relevant recommendations. Once you find someone you'd like to get to know better, you can continue chatting through Match and decide when you're comfortable taking the conversation further. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.